We said it var Torah, we did what we're able to do. Yes, it's not enough, but go to the Kisei HaKavod, the Ras An, the Zois Chanukah, which is Mesigal Buna Chayim, the Kisei HaKavod, and break up all the Shara Rekiyah. Misha Umar Lo Yoloma Dai Yoim Letzor Dai. It's enough. How much can we take? So many years in Golas, and we're Bechol Zoy Shimcho Lo Yishuchochnu. We didn't forget about your name. We're trying. We're learning Torah. We're davening. Yes, the Yetzer Hara doesn't stop working, but we're trying to do what we can. Rebbeinu Shalom, Hopshay Rachmunas of a Klal Yisrael. And the Neiras Chanukah that we lit in these 8 days should shine in the hearts of all Yiddish Kinder. Shine an or from Shefa, or from Torah, or from Yiddish Shemayim, or from Chasidis, or from Midas Toivis, Shefa, Brucha, Vatflucha. All the sick people, there's so many sick people that need Yeshua. Daven's enough, they should be well. They should have a refuah, should be able to rejoice with Torah and Avodas Hashem. And we shall zoiche sein, tzadikim v'shleimim v'meherim v'yameinu. Amen.